Hi there, viewers. Apple cider vinegar, a staple in the pantry of health enthusiasts around the globe, is celebrated for its versatile health benefits. This tangy elixir, derived from fermented apples, is rich in acetic acid, vitamins, minerals, and other beneficial compounds, making it more than just a kitchen ingredient. Whether you're looking to improve your digestive health, embark on a natural weight loss journey, or seek relief from sore throats, apple cider vinegar might just be the wellness ally you've been searching for. In today's video, we will explore the 10 compelling health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Consult with a healthcare provider or nutritionist in order to determine whether or not apple cider vinegar is appropriate for you to consume, especially if you have certain dietary restrictions, food allergies, or any prior health concerns. However, is it true that this vinegar actually has the health benefits that everyone is talking about? Well, in today's video, we will find out in detail. 1. Blood sugar regulation. Apple cider vinegar contributes to better blood sugar management primarily through the action of acetic acid, its main active component. The acetic acid in the vinegar interferes with the enzymes that break down starches for digestions. This interference means that not all carbohydrates from your meal are converted into glucose in the bloodstream, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Additionally, acetic acid has been found to improve the muscle and liver's ability to take up sugar from the blood, enhancing insulin sensitivity. After a meal, insulin's job is to help cells in the body absorb glucose and use it for energy. Improved insulin sensitivity means that this process is more efficient, thus reducing blood sugar levels post-meal. A 2019 clinical trial suggests apple vinegar consumption may have beneficial effects on the glycemic index and oxidative stress in individuals with diabetes and dyslipidemia. 2. Weight loss. When ingested, the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar may increase feelings of fullness. This effect is particularly beneficial when vinegar is consumed before or with meals, as it may help reduce overall calorie intake. By slowing the rate at which food leaves the stomach, acetic acid prolongs the feeling of satiety, leading to decreased appetite and, over time, a natural reduction in caloric consumption. Furthermore, acetic acid has been shown to boost metabolism, leading to a slight increase in the number of calories burned throughout the day. This metabolic uptick contributes to weight loss by enhancing the body's ability to burn fat rather than store it. Essentially, apple cider vinegar may subtly shift the body's energy utilization towards fat burning, aiding in gradual weight reduction. According to a study, a reduction in snacking was observed for a period of 3 to 24 hours following the consumption of apple cider vinegar that contained at least 25 millimoles of acetic acid per liter. 3. Heart health. Starting with acetic acid, this component of apple cider vinegar may help lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. It does this by promoting the production of nitric oxide, a signaling molecule that relaxes blood vessels, improves blood flow, and thereby reduces blood pressure. This process may lead to a more relaxed cardiovascular system overall, decreasing the strain on the heart. Moreover, apple cider vinegar contains chlorogenic acid, a type of antioxidant that has been shown to prevent LDL cholesterol particles from becoming oxidized. Oxidation of LDL cholesterol is a crucial step in the development of atherosclerosis, a condition characterized by the hardening and narrowing of arteries due to plaque buildup. By inhibiting LDL oxidation, apple cider vinegar may help reduce the progression of this artery-damaging process. A 2021 review of research in humans found that apple cider vinegar may benefit total cholesterol levels. 4. Digestive health. When apple cider vinegar is consumed, especially before meals, the acetic acid it contains may help to increase the acidity of the stomach. This is significant because a more acidic stomach environment aids in the breakdown and digestion of food. In individuals with low stomach acid, this may lead to more efficient digestion and alleviate symptoms like bloating and indigestion. Furthermore, the process of fermenting apples to create apple cider vinegar produces a type of beneficial bacteria known as probiotics. These probiotics are vital for maintaining a healthy balance of gut flora. A balanced gut microbiome is crucial for digestive health as it aids in the digestion of food, the absorption of nutrients, and the support of the immune system. Apple cider vinegar also contains pectin, a type of soluble fiber found in apples. Pectin may support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and help maintain healthy bowel movements. This may be particularly beneficial for individuals suffering from constipation or irregular bowel movements. Another test tube study found apple cider vinegar was as effective as 5% sodium hypochlorite at killing Enterococcus fecalis. This bacteria occurs naturally in the bowel and gut of healthy humans, but may cause serious infections. 5. Skin health. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar acts as a potent antimicrobial agent. When applied to the skin, it may help reduce the prevalence of bacteria and other pathogens that may lead to skin infections and acne. Furthermore, the acidic nature of apple cider vinegar helps to balance the skin's natural pH. Many skincare products and environmental factors may disrupt this balance, leading to issues like dryness, irritation, or excessive oiliness. By restoring the skin's natural acidity, apple cider vinegar helps to maintain the integrity of the skin's barrier, enhancing its protective function and overall health. To use apple cider vinegar for skin health, it should be diluted with water to prevent irritation. A common ratio is 1 part apple cider vinegar to 4 parts water. This diluted solution may be applied to the skin using a cotton ball or pad as a toner after cleansing. It's essential to perform a patch test, especially for those with sensitive skin. For acne or spot treatment, a more concentrated solution might be used. The solution may be left on the skin for a few minutes before rinsing off with cool water. This may be done several times a week as part of a regular skincare routine. Furthermore, there is evidence to support its utilization in the treatment of stretch marks and pruritus, a condition of severe itching on the skin. While it is generally safe to use, there is a possibility that improper application could cause skin damage. 6. Hair health. The natural pH of the scalp is slightly acidic, which helps to keep the cuticle, the outer layer of the hair, closed and healthy. When hair products, sweat, and sebum accumulate, they may disrupt this natural pH balance, leading to hair that is dull, brittle, or prone to dandruff. Apple cider vinegar, with its acidity, may help restore the scalp's natural pH, promoting healthier, smoother, and more lustrous hair. Moreover, apple cider vinegar acts as a natural clarifying treatment that removes product buildup from hair and scalps without stripping them of natural oils. This may improve overall scalp health and encourage healthier hair growth. The application of apple cider vinegar to the hair and scalp may also stimulate better circulation. Improved blood flow to the hair follicles is vital for delivering nutrients and oxygen, which are necessary for promoting hair growth and preventing hair loss. In a study, researchers developed a special mixture containing garlic oil, apple cider vinegar, and minoxidil, a common hair growth medication, to treat alopecia areata, a condition causing hair loss without leaving scars. Thus, it supports the effectiveness of apple cider vinegar in treating hair loss. To gain the hair health benefits of apple cider vinegar, it is typically used as a rinse after shampooing. The recommended method involves mixing 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 to 4 parts water, depending on your scalp sensitivity and the dryness of your hair. After shampooing, the apple cider vinegar solution is poured over the hair and massaged into the scalp. Letting it sit for a few minutes allows the vinegar to penetrate the hair and scalp before rinsing thoroughly with cold water. This rinse may be done once or twice a week as part of your regular hair care routine. 7. Sore throat relief. About 10 to 30% of people present at primary healthcare services with sore throats each year. Apple cider vinegar contributes to sore throat relief through its antibacterial properties. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar has the ability to disrupt the life cycle of bacteria, preventing their proliferation and reducing the severity of the infection. Additionally, the acidic environment may hinder viral replication, although this is more effective against bacteria. Moreover, apple cider vinegar's acidity helps to break down mucus in the throat, providing relief from irritation and allowing for easier breathing and swallowing. The reduction of mucus also limits the medium in which bacteria may thrive, further reducing the potential for infection to worsen. To utilize apple cider vinegar for sore throat relief, it is typically diluted with warm water. A common preparation is mixing 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 1 cup of warm water. You may also add honey to this mixture for its soothing effects and additional antibacterial properties. This concoction should be gargled several times a day to coat the throat. 8. Reduces acid reflux. Individuals suffering from acid reflux often have a complex interplay of too much stomach acid and not enough. Moreover, when the lower esophageal sphincter does not close properly, acid may move up from the stomach into the esophagus. Apple cider vinegar may help by increasing the acidity in the stomach. A slightly higher acidity level may prompt the lower esophagus to tighten more efficiently, preventing acid from leaking into the esophagus and thereby mitigating reflux symptoms. Moreover, the proper acidity level in the stomach is crucial for the digestion of food, meaning that apple cider vinegar may help ensure that the digestive process works smoothly, reducing the likelihood of stomach contents moving upwards. It's crucial to note that while many people experience relief from acid reflux symptoms with apple cider vinegar, it doesn't work for everyone and might worsen symptoms for those with ulcers or a history of erosive esophagitis. 9. Bone health. The body operates best within a narrow pH range, and the modern diet, rich in acidic foods, may disrupt this balance, leading to a condition known as metabolic acidosis. When the body is too acidic, it may try to neutralize this acidity by leaching minerals from the bones, including calcium, weakening them over time. Apple cider vinegar, despite being acidic, is thought to have an alkalizing effect once metabolized. This means that paradoxically, it may help to balance the body's pH levels, potentially reducing the need for the body to draw calcium from the bones, thereby supporting bone health. Moreover, the acetic acid in apple cider vinegar improves the body's ability to absorb essential nutrients from the diet. Calcium, in particular, is crucial for maintaining bone density and preventing disorders like osteoporosis. By enhancing the stomach's acidic environment, apple cider vinegar may aid in the dissolution and absorption of calcium found in consumed foods, making it more available for bone formation and maintenance. 10. Teeth whitening. When apple cider vinegar is used for teeth whitening, the acetic acid acts to break down and dissolve the plaque and stains from the teeth surface. Coffee, tea, red wine, and tobacco are just a few of the things that may cause these stains. The acidic nature of apple cider vinegar helps to lighten these surface stains, potentially leading to a brighter, more radiant smile. In a study, results showed that apple vinegar may notably decrease the levels of damage to tooth hardness and surface structure compared to white vinegar. To utilize apple cider vinegar for teeth whitening in a safer manner, it should be diluted and used sparingly. A typical method involves mixing 1 part apple cider vinegar with 2 parts water to create a diluted solution. You may swish this mixture around in your mouth for about 1 minute, similar to mouthwash. After swishing, it's crucial to rinse your mouth thoroughly with water to remove any remaining acidity from your teeth and gums. Due to its acidic nature, it's recommended to use the apple cider vinegar rinse only a few times a week and not daily. Additionally, it's important not to brush your teeth immediately after using the vinegar rinds. How to add it into your diet. The best way to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet is to use it in cooking. It's a simple addition to foods like salad dressings and homemade mayonnaise. However, you may also dilute it in water and drink it as a beverage. Standard dosages range from 5 to 30 milliliters per day, mixed in a large glass of water. Who should not consume apple cider vinegar and why? Certain individuals should be cautious about or avoid consuming apple cider vinegar. 1. People with gastrointestinal issues. Those suffering from ulcers, gastritis, or acid reflux might find that apple cider vinegar exacerbates their symptoms. 2. Individuals with kidney problems. Its high acidity may put additional strain on the kidneys, which may already be weak due to disease, potentially making their condition worse. 3. Pregnant and breastfeeding women. Due to the lack of conclusive evidence, pregnant and breastfeeding women may choose to avoid it or consult a healthcare provider before using it. 4. People with osteoporosis. Individuals with osteoporosis or other bone health issues should be cautious and possibly avoid its use. Apple cider vinegar offers a multitude of health benefits, from aiding in weight loss to improving heart health. However, it's important to use it in moderation and diluted with water to prevent potential side effects such as tooth enamel erosion or throat irritation. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Now that we have discussed the many benefits that apple cider vinegar offers, let's dive into other topics of interest. Interested in knowing more about tips and tricks to shed pounds easily? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more weight loss related videos, shall we? Watch 16 healthy foods that help you lose the most weight. You may also try our video on 13 weight loss tips to get rid of your bloated belly fat. Go ahead, click one. Or better yet, watch both and learn more about weight loss and nutrition. Will you be adding apple cider vinegar to your diet from now on? Let us know in the comments below.